Welcome to our channel. Enabling two-factor authentication on all your accounts is one of the most effective security measures you can implement to protect against unauthorized access and account takeovers. Step 1. Install an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator on your smartphone, which will generate time-based codes for your accounts. Step 2. Start with your most critical accounts, including email, banking, and social media, as these are the highest priority for security. Step 3. Navigate to the security settings of each account you want to protect and locate the two-factor authentication or two-step verification option. Step 4. Choose Authenticator app as your two-factor method rather than SMS whenever possible, as app-based authentication is more secure against SIM swap attacks. Step 5. Scan the QR code displayed by the service using your Authenticator app, which links your account to the app and begins generating codes. Step 6. Save the backup codes provided by the service in a secure location like a password manager, ensuring you can recover access if you lose your phone. Step 7. Test your two-factor setup by logging out and logging back in, verifying that you can successfully enter codes from your Authenticator app. Step 8. Disable SMS-based two-factor authentication after setting up app-based codes, as SMS is vulnerable to interception and SIM swap attacks. Step 9. Set up two-factor on additional accounts systematically, working through your password manager's list to ensure comprehensive coverage. Step 10. Review your two-factor settings annually to update backup codes and ensure you still have access to your Authenticator app. Your accounts are now significantly more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.